someone doesn't know how to use the 15 nesting boxes that we have down here.
8.
Don't be precise. Who's gonna lay it right there? Who?
You need me to show you?
It was you.
Yeah, I'll show you.
It was you. Yeah, it was Mary Poppins. Mary Poppins.
Matches her butt. Yep, matches her butt. It was her. It was her.
Mary Poppins.
I see her often sitting like this. I'm a chicken.
You probably crushed the egg now.
This one's clucking me. I said clucking me. Let's do it.
Hey guys, and welcome back to, if you can hear over this loud stinking roof because of the rain.
Hey guys, welcome back to Storytelling's YouTube.
And then, anyways, in this video we are in the chicken coop with
Get up. Stop it. Stop. Stop, you little stupid chicken.
animal beast.
This is when I have abused that chicken.
It is a rainy day, so
Clearly.
we can't do anything with the horses tonight. So our next video idea is going to be chicken.
Did I trip you? I'm sorry.
So it's a rainy day chicken video. Oh yes, they're up.
Okay, so alright, so what's going on right now is Mason's behind the camera. Hello.
Hi, you can hold the camera. I'm always behind the camera.
You're never behind the camera. Okay, so wait, I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere because I'm gonna get a good shot. Okay, so I'm gonna walk out of the pen for a second, guys, to see if it's videoing everything. Get back! Oh, I got this. Hey, this chicken was out of the pen. This chicken was out of the pen. Guys, this chicken was out of the pen. And this chicken is fucking... My name's Mason. Dog! Hey!
Wait, go check the camera so you can see us.
They ain't gonna run. Oh, they don't run. Hey, can you tilt it up a little? Tilt it like this. Yeah, like that.
Good? You can see us? Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear us or not because it is raining so stinking hard right now.
It's a really hard rain today.
Why would you just mess with the camera even when you had the perfect spot?
I'm fixing it. It wasn't in the perfect spot. There, now, we're good.
Okay guys, so we can either do this the easy way or the hard way.
Harley. Yeah.
Harley, give us the eggs.
I'm not hurting you, Harley. I'm just petting your little head.
Give us the eggs. Oh God.
So let's cut and groceries down here.
Move out of the way. I'll grab the eggs last actually. Because we gotta fill up their food and water for tomorrow.
Especially because it's in the morning, or
Afternoon.
it's dinner time, and they
Are clucking.
they're cooking. Here, give me that. Here. Okay.
I'm gonna go grab the feed.
Mason's got feed, and I'm gonna throw him some scratch. George. George, get down. Get feet. Sorry, I'm like thinking. Get back. My little crow's gonna get out.
What's the attack color?
Crow is not getting out today. Okay, so Mason's filling up scratch.
Nope, going up. Big feed.
Okay, I'm gonna do scratch then. It is so raining, guys. I'm soaked.
Hey, who's on the roof pole? Harley?
Harley's out of the nesting box. Okay, so this is what their thing looks like, and then this is what their feed looks like. Show them the feed.
Cookie crumble.
Cookie crumble, and then this is mixed with cookie crumble. Hey!
You get that on camera?
Yes, I did. I'm gonna get them to cut it. They've been doing that lately. And they have plenty of food, so that's not the reason.
They go through we have to come down here twice a day to fill the food because they go through it.
And we give them a lot of food. Like, Y'all may think, oh, you're not giving them too much food, but we're giving them a lot. You need to I'm about to run you over. Someone's got anger issues right now.
I know it's probably hard to hear.
I mean, we're probably screaming, and they can probably hear us just fine. But yes, it's very rainy right now. Mason's still filling that up.
Alright, that's done. I give them 2 scoops of this because it fills.
Yeah, Mason gives them 2 scoops of that.
It still overfills.
Yeah.
So I gotta dump some of this out.
Ew, I just dropped some in the water.
Hey, Carly.
She has problems with moving.
Now you guys have a little bit of
They have some in their scratch. And then I stick some up here for when they sleep. They could just cluck on something for a little. Here they go to bed.
We actually gave them some like vines. That's what all this dead grass is. It was like still like a bush in here.
It was.
This up
Yeah,
there.
it was like a stinking vine.
It was cool, but they ate it all.
That's what they do.
She's squaring up.
She's got some anger issues. Over food now. I don't know. It's aggression, I guess.
Hey, she didn't lay any eggs.
Get down. I got a curl, I got a curl, I got a curl, I got a curl. There you go.
Hey, chicken. I have a home here, right?
See, with any of the other chickens, I can't just pick them up like that. Like, I can't just pick. I touched a mic. Like, I can't just pick up a chicken like this. Like a normal chicken, I can't just yeet. One-handed. Hi. No one realizes how,
Hi, my name's Mike. And I'm a high school.
for our new subscriber, we should show them all the chickens. We'll do a chicken video in a little bit. This is Gypsy.
That's Mike.
Yes, this is Gypsy. She's our smallest little banner. She's a little.
I'll get the next
feisty.
picture.
Feisty.
This is Harley. Harley right here.
That's Harley.
Calm now, guys.
She's got anger issues. She's very food aggressive.
That's Harley.
And she stays in the nesting box all day. That's her hobbies.
Next up on the list is gotta be Gertrude, the one of the sweetest chickens.
This is Gertrude. She's so sweet. I thought I just stuck with you.
And they're all she's. That's Gertrude. We've already showed this again, so if you guys want to see like better clip of them, just go to our
It's
order video.
thundering, guys. Actually, we got tornado warnings earlier.
This one's our biggest chicken. Basil.
My baby. This is actually my chicken. All of our chickens we share except for Basil, which is my chicken. Where?
And the Gypsy, the first one that you guys seen,
And then Harley, which is my
I
chicken
already
as well.
showed you guys.
And then that's my chicken as well. I have 2 fat chickens. And then introduce your chicken.
This is Hennifer. This is one of my chickens. This is Hennifer. He's my sweet baby.
This is his chicken as well.
That's Gertrude.
Oh, so fat. And this is
A rescue.
Gypsy is, oh my gosh. Gypsy is a rescue and she is ours. She is both of ours. We share her.
Yeah, she's a rescue, and we got 2 more rescue chickens. Who's sweet?
I don't know who's sweet. Okay. This is,
Done. Well, you guys try to catch him here.
get down, boy.
This is a rescue. Another rescue. We
Her
rescued her.
name is Betty White.
She loves her rooster.
And
She's a sweet chicken.
she used to actually be very mean and aggressive.
I think that's because like she didn't know what was going on. So. She's a rescue. This one right here is our.
Now you can't throw that
This is
one.
our other chicken right here. His name's George.
And his hobbies are, oh my god.
Good boy, George.
His hobbies are being very aggressive and mean. Ow!
That's George.
And yes, it is a hen. It's not a rooster.
And here's our third together
Oh
chicken. Here's another together chicken. This is Mary Poppins.
Mary bop, 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 bop. That is
another rescue. Mike Tyson.
That's Mike Tyson. Yeah, y'all get the concept. That's Mike Tyson. Our speediest chicken, and also used to be aggressive. But now
He would win a chicken race. Okay, I'm just saying.
And then that's Tucker, our dog.
Yeah, that's Tucker. We gotta do another video on him.
Our old man. Okay, so let's get the eggs.
Yep, that's it.
And Mason will video him getting the eggs, and we'll fill up the water. Oh, I didn't realize.
I already filled up the water.
Oh, you did?
Looks like.
I'll fill up the water.
Okay, I'll just take the camera.
Okay, you can. Oh, Lord. All right, we got one egg up there.
God.
This egg right here. Hey, no. No. Lord. Hey, what are you doing up there? I'd set the camera down to grab. No. But I'm not really worried. She's probably just in here somewhere. All right, we got 4 eggs today. We got a mint green one. Looks white on camera. A baby egg. That's from that chicken right there. That chicken right there. Laid that egg.
No, wait.
And then we got 2 more brown eggs. So Kelly, you might want to turn off that water.
Yeah.
And let's take these eggs to the house and wash them up. So catch you guys inside the house. Tucker, why are you so cute? You're cute. Okay, what were you saying?
Alright, I gotta rinse
Saying over there? What are you saying over there?
Rinse
In the Okay, green egg.
It looks white on camera.
It does. Guys, you want to see what we're having for dinner? I know, but it looks so good.
Thanks for
Watch Mason McKelly's YouTube. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. What are you doing? Okay. Why are you grabbing it?
Because I want to grab my turn.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Dump her out. Oh. Dump her out. Dump her out. Dump her out. Dump her out.
Don't eat that. Don't eat that.